Welcome to the Knacklers workshop. I'm Paul. Today we've got a sticker board update, and I've got 6 new stickers to go onto the board. So let's start with Steve here in the UK. So Steve's in England, a bit further up the country from me. So that's Steve GTR, anything garage. So Steve's got he's got a nice workshop which is adjacent to where he stores his car, or does any jobs on the cars. He's got a 𝗲𝗡𝗔𝗡𝗥, which is obviously interesting to myself and other 𝗲𝗡𝗔 users, but it's general sort of work. Some of it's relating to cars, and some just machining. So he's sort of coming out, or his subscribers are growing quite well, and he's definitely worth checking out. So thanks for the stickers, Steve, and we'll put them on the board shortly. Okay, so here's a 3D sticker. Let's put that there. And this is from Neil, and this is Neil's Mechanical Man Cave. Now, I spoke about Neil a little while ago, and we because Neil was kind enough to give me the optical centre punch, and it's so Neil's sort of making these as a limited edition to the sticker, and it's he makes them with his 3D printer, and Neil's here in the United Kingdom, in Wales. And he's got the Welsh dragon on there, so clearly he's proud of his Welsh heritage. And Neil's I do like, he sort of thinks outside the box. So his latest video was a prototype of a cover for the ways on his milling machine, and I've not seen anything like that before. I mean, it's early days because it's a prototype, but definitely worth checking him out, and I'm sure we'll be very happy to see you. Okay, so thanks for that, Neil. So let's go across to the USA. So we've got David or DJ, and that's 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙𝗙 he's just got big machines really. I'd really like to have the machines he has, but I do think it needs, I need a lottery win to be able to have anything like that. And DJ just, it's just varied contents in his machine. I mean, he gets quite a few bargains at auctions and stuff, you know, and you can see that. And it's no airs and graces. It's just very much, you know, it's him in his workshop, and hats off to him, you know, for doing that. I much prefer that than some of the sort of manufactured channels. So thanks very much for that, David, and definitely go over and check out his channel. He's also on Instagram as well, so you can check him out there. Okay, so that's DJ. So here we go. So this is James from the engineer's workshop. Now James is in the US again, and he did what a fabulous name for a channel, eh? I would like that channel name, definitely. So James's workshop is a great big building, but some of the walls are missing, and he hasn't filled them all in yet. And he's got a great K&T milling machine there, which I just really enjoy watching him machining on that. And one of the things which I would recommend you go over and watch if you suffer from issues relating to rusting of your machines, because where his workshop's actually, although it's open to the elements, it's so big that his machines are sort of in the middle, so they don't get rained on, but it's, you know, that they are subject to temperature change. And James has done, he's got some videos where he talks about the process that he's used to stop the rusting of his machines, and it's really interesting. So it's definitely worth going over and checking him out. And he's been doing, the other thing is his son's got a channel, and James has, and his son's converting the engine in an old British car, and James has been doing some of the machining for that. So that, again, it's very interesting. So yeah, thanks for that, James. So check him out. Okay, with all these, the descriptions will be in the descriptions. The links will be in the video description. Okay, so we're back into the UK. So this is Garden Tractor Boy. This is Joseph. So Joseph runs this channel, and it's primarily around their collection of garden tractors. Yeah, and they've got, I know him and his dad, who's also the cameraman, have a really big collection of these garden tractors, and they're definitely, I think it's, I'm just amazed at the quantity they've got, and they go through the various stages of machining and such, or restoration, doing different jobs on them. And they've also got quite a nice collection of machine tools, and I know they're going to be doing some more on the machining side as well on the channel. So it's so Joseph is a young man still at school, and he's been making quite a lot of videos over quite a lot of period of time. They always come out on a Saturday evening, and yeah, definitely worth watching. And Joseph replies to everyone's comments. It's really really a nice channel, so I'm sure we'd be grateful for your support. Okay. Now this one, this is from the last one. So this is from Tommy Jobson. Now Tommy's a clockmaker here in the UK, and as most of you know, I'm attempting to make the 𝐒𝐄𝐑𝗥 clock. So I've been watching lots of videos because I don't know how to make a clock, and I stumbled across Tommy's channel, and we've well, I've commented on quite a few of his videos. I've watched an awful lot of them, and Tommy had a sticker, so we've agreed to do a sticker swap. His videos are very well produced, and they're it's a pleasure to watch, really. It's I must admit, I watch them. I'm in awe of what he does. I don't really, half the time, I don't understand the terminology and such like, but it's just very interesting, you know. Yeah. So I'd encourage you to go over and check Tommy out. Yeah, it is. They are good stuff, and he's also, there's another couple of watchmakers, and they were doing weekly releases of their videos, but they scheduled them so that you were never more than a couple of days from a video regarding watchmaking or clockmaking. But it seems to have dried up at the moment, but hopefully that'll come back, and it was quite good, really. Okay, so that's it from my final one, so thank you for that, Tommy. Right, so I'm going to put these on the sticker board, and then I'll show you them on the board in a minute, so I'll be back shortly. Hi everyone, so we're back now, and the stickers are on the board. So we've got Joseph from Garden Tractor Boy, we've got Neil from Nell's Mechanical Man Cave, Steve at Steve GTR, James at Engineers Workshop, DJ from Foxburg's Coblin, and Tommy Jobson. So thanks to all of you guys for sending me your stickers and doing a sticker swap and all your support. It's very good. If I just zoom back a little bit, so there the rest, that's sticker board number number 2, and if you move over here we got sticker board number 1. So if you want to see get a little bit of background on any of these guys, just check out the rest of the videos in the playlist, which appear shortly at the end of this video. So as always, thanks for watching. Stay happy, strong and healthy, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheerio.